Okay, now we come to your YouTube channel. If you are posting videos, then you want to make sure your channel is totally optimized to help people find out more about you, because you want to make sure that they're signing up for things that allows you to send them an email. Okay, I won't beat this one anymore because you already know it. One of the top places to add a link to your newsletter or lead magnet is right on your channel homepage. You can add a lot of links. So you can see when somebody clicks on more here, so this is, your statement of who you are, and then more, you can see all these links that I've added. Now, how do you do that? You click on Customize Channel. When you are on your own channel homepage, there's lots of ways for you to edit it. And you're going to come here to Channel Optimization and scroll down, add your description of who you are, what you do, and then scroll down here to Links. And this is where you add links to your newsletter, to your lead magnets, to your website, to your communities, to your social networks if you want. And you can see I have 7 links, and I can still add another one if I wanted to. And these little bars allow you to move them up. So when I added this new link for your visibility edge, I added it, down here at the bottom, and then I moved it up to the top. So that is important. You want your most important link to be at the top because that's the one that displays. Okay. So the next place that I want to show you that I recommend adding your a link is in your settings. So on your sidebar, when you're on your channel, click on Settings, and then go to Upload Defaults. And this means this is the content that will by default always be added to the description of any video that you upload. And this is important because you don't want to have to redo it all the time. So I recommend that you have some kind of boilerplate information about you and your business that will always be uploaded automatically whenever you upload a new video. And so mine's quite long, but you can see I have a section to work with me, and I send people to my consulting page. Ask me anything, that's another thing that people can do. My Marketing Trailblazers community, recommended visibility tools, and then I have a section on freebies. And I actually may move this one up because, of course, I want people to subscribe to your Visibility Edge. And here's my lead magnet. But all of these things you can add in this default upload. And this can be changed anytime you want. You can also add in the tags that you want used. So I'm going to say, put my newsletter name in it here. So that's a tag that will always be added. And then you just save what you have finished. And that way, every video, let me go back to my channel. Go back to my channel. Just show you. I don't want that to go. Okay, so you will see in the description, scroll down, everything under this, I added that little break in there because above this break is where I add description for the actual video, and then below is all the default stuff. And you can see that the links are hyperlinked, so anybody can click on them to go to your newsletter or to your lead magnet. So this is a very important area to take advantage of, these sections, to make sure that as many people as possible know that you have a newsletter or a lead magnet and can click a link and get right there.